Alright guys, we just got to call the cops on. And then we're just gonna go home through the river way. Cops probably won't give a fuck if we're down there. But if we're in the neighborhood, you know, of course, cops will give a fuck. Oh my god, what the fuck, bro? God damn, can't even. Oh, yeah, fuck you, bitch. I hit that thing last time. My tire popped. I can't see shit, bro. It's too dark. Oh, shit. Ooh, that would have ended so bad. That would have ended hella bad, bro. One of us, I probably would have went down. Oh, shit. That sounded hella gay. Oh, fuck. Oh, shit. What the fuck? Oh, my God. I love this bike. I don't know why. It's so fun to wheelie. Oh, shit. Okay. I need to practice on this bike. The 140 is gone. I sold it, man. This bike is so fun. God, I wish I had the old 125. If this bike came in a bigger wheel option, I would totally get it. Because this bike is made for big wheels. Look at that dog. Oh shit, I almost fucking fell. Oh fuck. What's up? Wait, whoa, he's mad. What news? Oh, I'm like, what the fuck? I thought he flipped us off. Huh? I thought he flipped us off. He's fucking drunk. Wait, what was that? Oh, I'm so confused. What the hell was that? I thought I was gonna say something.
I know, me too. I thought he was
Bro, he was looking back too. I think he hates us. Gotcha. Yeah. Deed of the day. Oh, my toe hurts. Yo, it's so easy to fucking drive this bike. Guys, so far, this bike is good. Assembly, pain in the ass. Like this bike, you need help. Like honestly, man, I was alone. I was a little bitch, you know. So I was like, hey, whatever, man. I can do my own stuff. You know, tough guy, cool guy, looking at. Nigga, I broke my toe. My toe, I can't feel it. Oh, my toe actually really hurts, man. My toe actually fucking hurts. I think I broke the shit out of it. My brakes don't work. Maybe I touched them or some shit. Maybe they have the grease on them. Fuck. Oh, my pants came off. Shit. I'm such a noob, man. Like, I feel like a bitch. This bike is crazy. You wanna ride it?
Huh?
You wanna ride it? Yo, you smell that?
I'm on the road, but like not here, bro.
You smell that?
I'm not trying to like.
Yo, you smell that?
Yeah.
Someone on fire or my bike's gonna blow up?
I think it's a plastic still.
No, that's not my bike, it's something else.
Is it?
Someone else is on fire.
You got like a bush wrapped around your head.
There we go. Yo, oh, we should go to that spot, bro.
Oh, yeah.
There we go, cooking some. Oh, that actually is it. We're cooking some fucking, I don't know what we're cooking, but we're cooking some. Oh my god, we actually are cooking some.
Oh, you color on your header.
Should have cleaned it. Alright, I actually love this bike. I actually will like be happy on this bike. The 140 I was not happy on.